think one of the most painful parts of any kind of a breakup or relationship, divorce you can go through, is when you go through that period when you realize the whole relationship was a lie. Like basically, at least if we have a breakup and we know our partner truly loved us, we kind of, it gives us comfort. Like, okay, it didn't work out, but I know in my heart they love me. But when you realize your relationship was strictly one big lie and everything stemmed from those lies, it's really hard to come to some kind of a place where you feel like you can let go, trust, and love again. I'm going to help you through this video with that. Well, first of all, in what ways can you say your relationship was based on a lie, or how do you know for sure? First of all, if your partner never respected you, it indicates a major problem. I mean, basically, from that point on, there's going to be a multitude of lies. If you never gained their respect, then more than likely they didn't respect you enough to tell the truth, or they didn't respect the truth either. Secondly, lying in a relationship is natural for them. When you're with someone who tells not only lies to you, but lies in general, like when you go out, things they say, or when they're talking to other people, you know what they're saying is a bunch of BS. That happens to you too. You can see it in other people, just can't see it in yourself sometimes. They've lied or withheld information about their past. Maybe they haven't been upfront, told you stuff that was integral to them, like things normal people share. They're just not able to do it. They're not able to be honest with their feelings. That's a prime indicator of a liar who bases relationships on lies. They lie about money in their life. You don't have any idea how much money they have. If they have any, they're borrowing from you. They keep telling you a big payment's coming in. These kinds of relationships are strictly based on life. They lie about money. They'll lie about other things that are more intimate to you. You've never been introduced to their family or friends. That's somebody who's basing a relationship on a lie. When people love you and they're not lying, they want to share their family. Even I've known people who have toxic families and they're like, you got to know them because I want our relationship to be transparent. And it can't be honest if you don't know these people that raised me. And thirdly, you've been cheated on in the past. If they've cheated once and you see that they have this way that they lie without reason, without thinking, that's a big indicator that the relationship you had with them was based on a lie as well. So what do you do to move through it? I think first of all, so you never get in this trap again, put yourself first. Okay, part of this is you're going to get rid of that partner. I don't care where you are. If a relationship is based on a lie, on lies, it can't survive. That's a form almost to me of emotional abuse. And so I would have no problem severing that relationship. I think it's going to be better for you. And if you have children in the future, especially if you're not married at this point. So put yourself first. What are your dreams? What are you looking for in a partner? What are you willing to change in yourself to have an honest, healthy relationship? Get as much information as you can. You're not going to really be able to say they were truly a liar unless you have a lot of information about where their lies were centered. What did they lie about? Information is knowledge here. The more knowledge you have and power you have in that, the better you're going to be able to transition through this. Implement a no contact rule. If you've been dating a liar, they're going to want to say their side. People like this always do. They have huge egos and they validate, they actually rationalize why they lie. It was better for you. I didn't want to hurt you. I was afraid you'd kill yourself. That is not a reason to be a liar. There is no reason for being a liar. It's simply that you're a coward and you're afraid or you disrespect the truth. Seek professional help. I can't tell you how important professional counseling is going to help you here. It's going to help you see objectively what happened, how you got seduced in it, and how you continued and stayed in it, what thoughts you were telling yourself that need to be changed. I think it's so important that when you're in a relationship with a liar, you understand up front that you can forgive a lie but you can't forget or forgive many times the liar, because one lie is one thing, but many lies and making a life out of lying is a whole nother thing. And if you are able to forgive that person saying they're mentally ill or they're sick, it's important that you say, I can forgive you, but I don't have to tolerate you now. I don't have to tolerate it. I don't have to continue it in my life. And from there, it's arrivederci. I am out of here, and so are you. Goodbye.